Hello again, folks. This might be the last flight of the day unless it calms down a little bit, but here's the BlitzRCworks T28 1.1 meter. Full house, got flaps, retracts, speed brake underneath I've wired in to come down with the retracts. Very fast, very fun, very stable flying little bird. Looks like Banana Hobbies is discontinuing this one. It's unfortunate. Maybe I can try to snag one before they run out and they're all gone. Anywho,
takeoff flaps.
Let's get her up in the air, have a little fun. Try not to bring it down in pieces.
Throttle cut off. Flaps up, gear up.
This one is running an AR630 plus. It's got LEDs. They're not super bright, but it does have LEDs. Got a bug on my face. Absolutely fantastic flying plane. What T28 isn't, though? Goodness. Full throttle.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
And they all have that whoosh. Just love it. This flies, I found the best battery to fly this on to make good CG. Good flight time is actually 4S3300, pushed all the way up behind the motor.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
That's what I'm flying in this, and it's fantastic. This thing needs a little extra weight in the nose to fly well. You can see that extra weight does not hold it back one little bit. Love flying this plane, but
time remaining 2 minutes.
Gosh, I don't know if it's going to be discontinued. I don't know if I'm going to risk it in really windy conditions. I'm flying this on the stock prop. It's 10 by 6, but I've also found a master air screw 3-blade 10 by 5 works well, and a 2-blade 10 by 6 works really well. This thing has plenty of power and speed with the stock. So I'm not going to change it unless I have to.
Time remaining 1 minute.
These good flying warbirds, you almost want to add in the gun sounds as they go by. Da 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 da. That's kidding me. Sorry.
Seconds.
Alright, one more go around. We'll drop flaps, drop gear.
Take off flaps, gear down. Landing flaps. Time expired.
Pull up elevator.
Flaps up.
Still running full up elevator. Just don't like to hit that prop. Heck yeah. Love this bird. Thanks for watching.